In this video, I'll show you how to connect mobile hotspots to laptop or PC. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to the channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, here on my PC desktop, right? If you want to connect your mobile hotspot, that is from your iPhone, from your Android, that is from mobile phone, what you're going to do basically right now, you're going to click, okay, I'm going to come on here and turn this off, right? Because I want to basically just walk you through what you need to know, right? So once you have been able to on your hotspot on a mobile device or your Android or your iPhone, you're gonna come on here, right? From this globe, you're gonna click on you're gonna connect your hotspot, right? So you can see right here we just gained internet access, right? And this is how you can connect your mobile hotspot to laptop or PC, right? If you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.